Hey everyone, I hope that you're doing well. Well, today I'm going to do a little demo on how to stop this drill bit from when you're drilling a hole going plumb down to the bottom. In other words, if you got something double such as this, and if you're drilling a hole in the top and you don't want to damage the other side, how do we keep from doing that? You know, like a lot of times you drill in something in a car hood or something such as that, it's usually double. You got the frame on the outside, and it's similar to this right here, or certain carpenter work and various of things that you do that is double, and we don't want to damage the other side. Well, how do we do this? Well, I've always, an old restoration trick that I done, I use tape. If it be masking tape or regular black tape or whatever type tape, just as long as it works. So what we want to do, we want to measure the thickness or where we want this to stop at. In other words, we don't want it to go to the point that we damage the other side. So you get your measurement. And then you come down on this to the thickness that is required. And then you will take your tape, and then you want to wrap this pretty tight. And you want to build this tape up. And just keep wrapping it until it builds up enough to do the job. Hopefully you can get an idea of what we've got here. And what we're going to do, we are going to drill a hole in something and see if this works. Okay, we will try this and see if it stops where it's supposed to. And I'm going to try to get the angle before you can see. So that's how you will stop the drill bit. You want to build the tape up once again enough to where that it will catch it and stop it from going in deeper. See, it stops here. I hope that this was helpful, but build your tape up enough to where that it will catch it. And, you know, to have a stop point is fine. If you can actually get it stopper. I never do because I'm one of these that, you know, I'm going to put over too much pressure or something, and once that goes through, it's going to, you know, go forth because it's not drilling again anything yet. So it's automatically going to go to the next thickness. So this will stop that though. It won't go no farther than that. Hope this was helpful. Have a good one, guys.